Until 2015, wheat farmers in Nigeria were meeting not more than 2% of the 1.5 million metric tons annual demand of flour millers in the country. This costs Nigeria at least $6 billion in the importation of the commodity annually. However, with the coming of the Buhari administration's accelerated wheat production initiative, local production rose to 7% in 2016 and projected 33% in 2017. In Kano State, more than 10,000 farmers took part in this year's cropping season and are hoping to produce 120,000 metric tons. This milestone, Minister of Agriculture Audu Obe, while flagging off the wheat harvest program in Garumalam local government area, says is an indication that by 2019, Nigeria will end importation of the commodity. He assured that the federal government will continue to do all it takes to achieve this. Governor Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, whose administration was highly commended by the minister, says in addition to 100 million naira for the procurement of improved seeds, watering pumps and other essential inputs have been provided to wheat farmers in the state. In Kano, Abdullahi Mustafa, NTA News.